Run over. To hit or drive over something with a vehicle. Example: I ran over a toy with my car by mistake. Come over. To visit someone at their house. Example: why don't you come over to my place for dinner? Get over. To recover from something, like an illness or a bad experience. Example: it took me a while to get over the flu. Go over. To review or check something carefully. Example: let's go over the report before we submit it. Win over. To convince someone to support or agree with you. Example: she managed to win over the audience with her speech. Talk over. To discuss something. Example: we need to talk over the plan before we proceed. Think over. To consider something carefully before making a decision. Example: I need to think over your offer before I give you an answer. Hand over. To give something to someone. Example: please hand over your assignments by Friday. Turn over. To rotate or flip something. Example: turn over the page to see the next question. Fall over. To trip or fall. Example: I tripped on the carpet and fell over. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.